In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize button links in Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit from your Wix dashboard. Once the site opens, click Design Site to enter the editor. Next, go to the page that contains the button you want to customize. When you find the correct button, click on it to select it. A floating toolbar will appear near the button. From that toolbar, click the link icon. This will open the link settings window. In the section called What do you want to link to, choose the type of destination you want for the button. Wix gives you several options here. You can link the button to another page on your site, a web address, a section or anchor on the page, the top or bottom of a page, a document, an email option, a phone option, or a pop-up. After choosing the link type, enter or select the specific destination you want to use. For example, if you are linking to a page, choose the page from the list. If you are linking to a website, paste in the web address. If you are linking to a section or anchor, select the correct location so the button sends visitors exactly where you want them to go. If the link settings include an option for how the destination should open, choose whether you want it to open in the current window or in a new window. This is useful when you want visitors to stay on your site while opening an external page separately. You can also expand the Advanced SEO settings area if you want to configure extra link options. This step is optional, but it can be helpful if you want more control over how the link is handled. Once everything looks correct, click Done to save the link settings for the button. After that, click Preview so you can test the button before publishing. In preview mode, click the button and make sure it opens the correct destination. If anything needs to be adjusted, go back into the editor and update the link settings. When you are satisfied with the result, click Publish to make the change live on your website. That is how you customize a button link in Wix. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.